In this video, the detailed discussion related Terrador coin. Terrador coin in this time did get top searches, ranking number 9, $1.41 price, 17% move in last 24 hours. Open in 1 day time frame. Try to move. Yesterday, Terrador coin moved from $1.12 to $1.38. Today move $1.28 to $1.6. That area $1.6 is profit taking area. Terrador coin are those coin which can be rejected from $6.65 heavily down area, then stabilize in $1, then again pump up but not cross the capacity to $4 again. Go to Terrador coin detail. Terrador coin ranking 705 number, market cap 21 million, all time high $6.2, all time low 0.23 cent. Different experts opinion related to Terrador coin. Check circulation rate of Terrador coin 23%. Terrador USDT strong momentum play is a momentum driven breakout with clean structure and minimal overhead resistance. Buyer defending. Go to data option in 15 minutes time frame. Buying pressure is heavier than selling pressure in 1 day time frame. Overall buying pressure is more. When buying pressure is more, the price chances to increase more. But check the history of Terrador coin. Terrador coin when list, after listing go to high $5, then go to down 0.85 cent, then again weak $6.65. Terrador coin resistance area $2.78. That is important for profit taking. Terrador coin this time ranking number 9 in spot, 17% move. When we open the trade in Terrador coin, must now the bust buying and bust selling zone area. Go to order book, check the detail. Heavy amount of selling area is $3.5. Some people expected $3.5. Some people expected $2.8. That's the area. Whales try to pump up the coin to that area. When Terrador coin reach that area, heavy amount of selling, prices chances to decrease. Heavy amount of selling in $3. That's the point. Some expected $3.8. That thing keep in mind when you open the trade. Terrador coin short time frame for suitable for future trade. In long time frame not suitable for trade either spot or either future trade, because newly listed coin has no future. Newly listed coin is garbage. Newly listed coin sometime whales pump up, sometime whales dump, not proper momentum. Same Terrador coin.